Hey Edberg, it's Max. Thanks for talking on the phone with me earlier and allowing me to send you this video. All I ask in return is just a little bit of feedback. You can either reply to this email or give me a phone call at 850-838-6092. So that being said, let's jump right into it. So the general gist of this video is to show you three main things that you can do with your website in order to have it ranked in Google and for select key terms that are being searched by your customers every month. And I know that these exact terms are being searched by consumers every month because I use this software called Ahrefs, and it shows me that there's 230 people searching for a painting contractor in Queens, New York. So again, I will show you the three main things that you can do to your website in order to outrank Mr. Painter here, who is bringing in the majority of those customers that are searching. So I clicked on your website, and this is actually what popped up. I know that it's wanting me to install this secured search extension. However, if you're going to want to bring in a lot more of this business, this is not very good because a lot of the people are going to think that it's a scam of some sort, or they're just not going to be willing to go through that process to get to your website. That being said, I'm not going to go through it either. And I'm going to break down Mr. Painter's in order to show you the three main things that he's doing and just how easy it would be to do it better than him. Okay, so the first thing is got everything on his homepage, including what these images are saved as and all the content on there is what Google is measuring your website with. And so if we copy all of that and throw it into this word counter, it shows us that he has 536 words on his homepage here, which is totally easily beatable. And Google typically wants about 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage because they view that as a contribution to Google's platform. And so the more content that you have, they will award you by ranking you for whatever your content is relevant to. So if you were to go out and get 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage, which you very may have, I don't know, I haven't been able to get past this in order to take a look at it. But if you did have 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage, you would not only have, triple the amount as your competitor, but you would meet Google's requirement to rank, and then it also would allow you the content to start adding in specific keywords here. And then that way you become more relevant to those search terms and you can start ranking above them. The next thing that I'm going to show you is backlinks. And what a backlink is basically one website linking to your website, which passes power and relevance. And so if we take his URL here and we throw it into Ahrefs, this shows me the back end of his website. And as you can see, he has 16 backlinks coming from 12 websites, which is a really good ratio. You would typically want only one link coming from a website. That way it doesn't get too spammy. However, these websites are not very good resources, and so they're passing bad power to his website. That's why his numbers are really low here, especially this orange rating is how much Google trusts the website that are passing power to him. So obviously Google does not trust these links very well. And just to have a visual representation, this is a link going to his website, but it's not passing any power because it is a temporary no-follow link, just the result of this search engine. So for your case, if we had a link like this one that went to your website and we put it on a painting blog post or a New York relevant news site or something that would pass a lot of good relevant power to your website, that's going to boost your ratings a lot higher, and then you'll be able to outrank him with the back end of your website as well. The third and final thing that I wanted to show you is actually a type of backlink that gets you here in this map pack. And all that is just a citation. And so what a citation is a business's name, address, and phone number placed on various directories throughout the web, such as Yelp, BBB, or Facebook. And then this lets Google know that you are a legit business with an actual address and phone number. And then your Google My Business page becomes a lot more relevant than just any other website out there, because they know that you're an actual business ranking for your actual area. So that's all that I have for you today. And just to kind of show you the importance here, if there's 320 people every month searching for, it's 230 people every month searching for a painting contractor in Queens, and you're ranking in this, even down here in this organic listing, you're still bringing in about 33% of the people searching. So that's an additional 76 people on your website every month. And a good website converts about 40% of those into calls or into your lead form. So that's an additional 30 leads every month. So if we go on to say that you close about 70% of those, that's an additional 20 extra jobs every month. And if you profit only $750 from that, that's still an additional $15,000 to $16,000 every month of profit. So I'm sure you can see the value that is adding here, just ranking in these top 4 positions. So again, all I ask is just for a little bit of feedback. You can either call me at 850-838-6092, or you can just reply to this email. So I appreciate it. Thank you.